Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Izar and you're watching Izar's Divine Guidance. In this video, we are going to talk about the different things that are coming your way in the next month, that is October 2020. Also, I want to give a big thank you to all those people who have subscribed to my channel and who watch my videos and shower so much of love. Thank you so much guys, and for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, because I keep on posting videos on tarot reading and spirituality every Thursday and Sunday. So let's move on and see what are the cards for today. Alright guys, so these are 3 cards. This is group number 1 with the heart, group number 2 with the candle, and the group number 3 with the shell. Please take time and meditate on the cards, and for best results, just choose the card with your intuition, not just with your eyes. If you want, you may even pause the video to choose the cards. Okay people, so if you have chosen your card or cards, then just let's move on to the interpretations. Alright guys, we'll start off with group number 1. It's for all those who have chosen the first pile with this beautiful coral heart. So let's see what's coming your way for the month of October 2020. Group number 1, 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 October 2020. So first of all, what I feel is that next month some situations might come in your life, or some circumstances might come where you'll feel the need of looking back into your life, and you'll have some kind of repentance, like I wish I had done it before, or I wish I had done this instead of that. So some dilemma, some confusion, or some sort of a thing will come in your life where you'd want to look back and you'd kind of feel bad that I wish I could have done something better, or wish I would have done things in a different way. Looking back at the past, I feel you will get some circumstances in which you look back at the past. But remember one thing, whenever such situations, whenever such thoughts come into your mind, tell yourself that it's not okay to look at the past. Whatever happened in the past happened for a reason. And also, if you are looking at the past and doubting yourself, that's totally not correct. Spirits are telling me that it's just a negative way of thinking, and you should get rid of this kind of a thinking. You should get rid of the past hurtings or anything repentance that you have. Everything is, sometimes things are meant to be the way they are, sometimes things are meant to go the way they are going. So whenever you have such thoughts in your mind, the next month, just tell yourself that whatever happened for a reason, and whatever is happening is definitely happening for my best interests. Remember that you have a lot of inner strength inside of you. For some of you guys, I also feel that recently you might have lost a loved one, be it literally or be it just a break of a bond or relationship like that. So, guides are telling me that you need to overcome those past feelings, those blockages, those hurtings from your mind, from your heart. I feel some of you might be even having negative thoughts regarding yourself. You might be feeling less worthy, or maybe some of you might be feeling that are you really worth it, or some negative talk, negative self talk might be coming to you in the next coming month. So in those situations, spirits are telling me to tell you that you should know that you have enormous strength within yourself. So just be your best friend, be your best guide, and love yourself and forgive yourself for all the mistakes. And if you've lost someone recently, then guides are telling me that you need to let go of those feelings also, because death isn't really in our hands. Life and death, it's a part of this universe. We cannot really control it. So please let go of all those negative feelings, fears, hurtings, whatever things are haunting you right now. Know that you have enormous inner strength within you. So just embrace yourself with love and kindness, and you'll see that you'll feel so much better. Also, for those who have picked up group number 1, I feel that there's some enormous change coming in your life in the month of October. It is in a positive way. I'm not getting any negative vibes regarding this. It is in a positive way. So if you have been going through some tough phases or tough circumstances or problems regarding your personal life, financial life, finances, career, or anything, I feel that is gonna finally come to an end in the next coming month. So that's one of the biggest blessings that are coming for you in October 2020. Also, I feel that if you have been working hard for something since the past few months or maybe a year, you will get rewarded accordingly. Means if you have worked really hard for something, you will definitely get it in the next month. Also, for some of you, I feel that some kind of victory is also coming your way. If you have given some exams or you've applied for some job, high chances are there that it will be successful and you'll get a fruitful result from it. Group number 1, I'm also feeling that there might come a situation in your life in October 2020 where you would need someone else's help, or maybe someone else would need your help, some guidance regarding something. You might feel a little confused about what will happen in the future or what you should do regarding some things. So if you ever face a situation like that, just remember that you have your loved ones that will guide you in the right way. So if you have someone really close, or if you know someone who might help you in the right direction, just do not hesitate from asking for help. Also, you might feel that some things are blurry, or at present, you might be feeling that some things are blurry right now in your life. It may be regarding any field. It is a general reading. So for different people, it might be regarding different things. A part of your life is a bit blurry. Maybe your past hasn't been good, or maybe you're worrying too much about the future. So spirits are telling me that you need to just keep calm and have patience regarding your life, regarding the situation that you're stuck in. You're in the right path, you're in the right way, you've been guided by the divine. So just trust them and trust the process. Everything will fall into its right place at the right time. Also, for some of you guys, I feel in October 2020, there's some rejoice coming your way, maybe some family gathering, or maybe outing with friends or something like that, some kind of rejoice in which everyone will be happy and you will also be happy. For some of you, it might be a situation where you will be receiving so much of praise from others and everyone will be congratulating for achieving something. So I feel for many of you, some praise or success like that is coming, where everyone will be rejoicing and they will be congratulating you and there will be such a happy mood. Also, group number 1, I feel that most of you spend a lot of time inside your heads, overthinking about things and overanalyzing things or something, or maybe just worrying unnecessarily. So guides are telling me that you need to go that right now, because our thoughts shape our future. So the more negative you think, the more negative things will happen, and the more positive you think, the more positive things will happen. Know that your life is being guided by your angels and they are really close to you. So just keep up the good spirit and think in a positive way. You are a person who is having a lot of talent and who has achieved a lot of things in their life. You just may not realize that. You just may not I feel you at times underestimate yourselves regarding the things. Maybe you do not know yourself the way your angels and your guides know you. You are such a wonderful person with such amazing personality. So just believe in yourself and stop spending time inside your mind that much. Our worries and fears, they shape our future in a very bad way. So just stop doing that. Also, for group number 1, I feel that there are certain people in your life right now who aren't there for your best interest. So in October 2020, you might be coming face to face with them, or maybe you'll get to understand that these are the people who do not really like me, or whose interests are really not towards me, or who really don't love me from their heart. So there might be situations coming your way in 2020 October where you'll realize that these are the people, these are the parts of my life which do not suit for me, which are not for my best interest. And it'll be better for you if you walk away from those people and those things which are not really meant for you in the long run. So that's one thing. It's kind of a disguised blessing, because I feel for some of you, when you'll know about this person, or you'll realize this thing that you need to walk away from some people, at that time you may not feel that it's good for you, or maybe it'll be hard for you to walk away from them or those things, but it'll be in your best interest. Just know that you're being guided by the divine, and October is a month of good fortune for you. It'll be a really good month. So whatever things will be happening, it'll be a blessing for you. It may be that you won't be able to realize this or recognize those things in that moment, but later on you'll understand that whatever happened for your good only. Also, I feel for group number 1, your luck will also be shining in October 2020. So if you are in business right now, or maybe thinking about starting a new business or anything like that, starting a new project, October is the right month for you. So you can go ahead with any of such plans. Alright, group number 1, I guess that'll be it, and I hope you liked my reading. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Alright guys, now we come to group number 2. It's for all those who have chosen the second pile with this cute candle. So let's see what's coming your way in October 2020. October 2020, group number 2. October 2020, group number 2. Group number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. I'm getting all the good vibes for group number 2. October 2002, group number 2. 2020, group number 2. Group number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. Number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. Group number 2, October 2020. Okay guys, for all those who have picked up group number 2, I definitely feel that all your sufferings are gonna come to an end in the next month. I feel a lot of you might have been in a lot of stress or anxiety or mental tension regarding something or some part of your life, which is finally definitely going to come to an end in the month of October. A lot of you might have been working very hard regarding something in the past few months or maybe since last year. So finally that will become fruitful in the next month. You will be rewarded in the next month. A lot of you guys, I feel a lot of you will be rewarded in such a beautiful way. Like whatever thing you've been working on, definitely you'll get success in it in the next month. Also, I feel that you'll accomplish so much. Like a very new phase of your life is going to start in October 2020 for most of you guys. For all of those people who have picked up group number 2, I feel there's a new journey starting in October 2020 for you people, and it'll be such an amazing journey. Like I feel that a lot of you people may have had a very rough year or may have had a very rough phase in your life since many years, and that's finally coming to an end now in October. So you'll be getting that sense of fulfillment, you'll be getting that sense of happiness in your life. Everything that you've worked for will definitely give you rewards now, and whatever tension or anxiety that you were having in your life, it'll come to an end finally. Oh my god, I'm getting such good vibes. Like you'll be feeling as if you're on top of this world. You'll get everything that you've ever imagined, that you've ever dreamt of. Maybe a very big dream of yours will come true, and your life will change in such a different manner. It'll change to such a better in such a better manner, and you'll end up being in such a better place. You'll feel like a king. You'll definitely feel like a king. Like you've accomplished that one thing that you've always dreamt of. You have finally done it. That sense of fulfillment, that sense of accomplishment. Oh god, I'm really feeling such good vibes, such overwhelming vibes. I also feel group number 2, you'll be moving some places. Like either you'll go on a small trip, or maybe you'll change some places just for a few days, or maybe trips with your family or road trip, something like that. Some movement is coming your way in October 2020, and that movement will be really refreshing for you. It'll be really fulfilling for you. You'll be so happy. I feel group number 2, you have worked so hard. Like you have really worked so hard regarding something in your life, or maybe you've have had all bumpy roads till now in your life, and finally that's coming to an end in October 2020, and I'm so glad about that. uh, Also, if at present if you're going through some tough time or maybe some mental confusion or something like that, just know that you're in the right path, and all your worries, all your anxieties are gonna end soon. You're being guided by the divine guidance. So um it's really amazing. And all of those people, I feel group number 2, some of you might even feel as if you've been caged up since a few months, like caged up either physically, maybe because of quarantine, or mentally or emotionally. That caged up feeling, that stagnant feeling, you've been feeling, a lot of you, that is also coming to an end. You will finally feel free from everything, every trauma that you've been that you've gone through, that has been holding you back from showing your full potential, or that has been holding you back from enjoying your life to the fullest. That will finally end now. Also, I feel that some of you people, for some of you guys, some news about marriage will also come your way. It may be either for you or maybe for someone that you know. Some marriage fixation or some marriage thing, some rituals and all, that will come your way in October. And oh god, it's such good vibes I'm getting from this group. One thing I'd want to tell you guys, that you need not to doubt on yourselves. I feel a lot of you might have this habit of doubting on your abilities or thinking too much about the future. So just let things flow the way they are. Know that you are worthy. You have everything that you need to have to accomplish the things that you want in your life. So never doubt on yourselves. You're such a good person. You're such an amazing person, such an amazing personality. Just have faith in yourselves and never doubt on yourselves about anything. Also, group number 2, it will be a fantastic month for you. The overall vibe will be so happy in this month, such rejoice coming your way. And if many of you, if you guys have been doing some manifestations in your life, like writing on bay leaves and then burning them, or any kind of manifestation, water manifestation or something, just know that those manifestations are going to get fulfilled starting from October. So everything that you've manifested, just be assured it's definitely going to manifest in the next month. And also it'll be a very good month for manifestation. So even if you haven't manifested anything, just try to manifest from now on. There are still a few days left for this month to end. Just manifest those things. And even in October, if you want something in your life, maybe goals for next 2 years or anything, even short-term goals, just manifest those and they will come into play. Also, group number 2, I'm feeling that for all those who are in a relationship or maybe married, next month is going to be a really great month for you guys. The both of you will be in such harmony, such love, and there'll be overflowing joy in your relationship, in your life in general in the next month. Oh god, it's such a great reading. And for those people who are single, I feel that someone might be entering your life the next month. For most of you people, it may be a romantic relationship, but for others it might be a friendship, a normal friendship only, or maybe your relationship with someone will get healed, or it'll get more deeper, like deeper friendships, deeper relationships with your family, quality time spending with them. And also relationship wise also, I feel that October 2020 will be a really great month for you. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked my reading, and if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, let's move on to group number 3 now. It's for those who had chosen this beautiful shell. So let's see what's coming your way in October 2020. Group number 3, 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 October 2020. October 2020. Group number 3, October 2020. Group number 3, October 2020. Group number 3, October 2020. Alright, group number 3. First of all, I feel that October 2020 will be a month of hard work for you. So, if you want to achieve something in the future or maybe in the month only, just start off with it in the next month itself. If you are someone who has the potential in your decided field of work, the whichever field you're working on, you have potential to go heights, to achieve heights in that. So just believe in your abilities, believe in your own self, and just work hard in it. October is the right month to really start working hard for your dreams, for your goals, for all the things that you want to achieve in your life. So start off with hard work in this month itself. You might even feel that it's a bit difficult for you to balance everything that's coming your way, to balance everything that's on your plate. So just remember that you may feel a bit exhausted, or you may feel that all of a sudden the workload has increased or something like that. You won't get any leisure time as such. Maybe since a few months you were getting some leisure time, so maybe your life was going smoothly, but from now on, remember that you need to work hard for something. If you want to achieve something, you have to work hard in October, and because of that your life may get out of balance at times, but just have patience. Even that phase will pass. Remember, you cannot get things like manifestation is a thing, but if you really want something from your heart, even you need to work hard to achieve that goal or that thing which you want in your life. So it'll be kind of a hectic month for you, a bit difficult for you to balance all the things that are on your plate, but you will do it. Just have strength, have courage, and have faith in yourself, and you will pass this month. You will get through this month amazingly. Also, for those who have picked group number 3, I feel that some kind of truth will get revealed for you in the next month. It might be regarding some person, people, or it might be regarding some situation of your life. Some truth will be revealed, or maybe your viewpoint regarding something or someone will get changed in the next month. It may be positive or maybe negative, but I feel there will be a change in your perception regarding someone or something, or maybe you will get to know some truths. The thing is, maybe you don't know what the actual thing is, but in the next month you will get to know what the actual thing, what the actual scenario regarding something is, which may lead you to thinking too much about that situation. So spirits are telling me not to analyze too much about things. Just sometimes we need to accept the things that come our way. So just accept the things. If any such thing happens, if any truth gets revealed, just accept that and know that it's life. It just moves on. And sometimes it is true that our perceptions are different, or maybe things are different than what we perceive. So just accept it if it ever comes your way. Also, group number 3, I feel there are certain people in your life, it may be a person or maybe more than one person, who are not who do not think of you in a positive manner. Either they are jealous of you, or they have some negative thoughts regarding you in their mind, or something like that. Or maybe they are just false friends, or falsify you, or gaslight you, or something like that. Some negative influence is there in your life. So if you're having any such people in your life whom you understand that they are not for your best interest in the future, who don't serve your best purposes for the future, just it'll be really good if you just build up healthy boundaries around you. You do not need to cut them totally all of a sudden. Just realize this, that they are not good for you, and that you need to build up certain boundaries to keep yourself protected, to keep you away from those people. So if any such situation comes and things get revealed and your perception gets changed, and you feel that some people are really not good for you, it'll be better that you move on from them. Just keep a distance from them. Do not trust them completely. Yes, never trust them completely, whether it be regarding anything. Also, group number 3, I feel that a lot of you have so much potential in yourself, but somehow you're not able to work that much as you wish to, or as much as you plan to, because of which sometimes things just go wrong, or you do not get the things that you want. So guides are telling me that it's okay that it happened in the past, or it keeps on happening. You can just change this thing in the next month itself. Manifest positivity, manifest those things. Know that what's your limitations, and get rid of all your limitations if you can. Spirits are telling me that this is important for you in the next month. Also, for some of you, I feel there might be some situations where you'll have to spend some amount of money, or maybe some people will come to you asking for money in the next month. So that kind of a situation may arise where money will go out from your hands. So know that this situation can come to your life. Also, if somebody comes to you asking for money, and if you know that that person is not a good person, and the chances of getting money back from them is really less, then just refuse them, because I feel that the person who will come to you isn't really of their best interest, and they are kind of a selfish person. So it's better if you do not lend them anything. And for the other people for whom it doesn't really mean money, but it may be of some help, regarding help, like someone may come to you asking for some help about something. So just know that that person will come out of nowhere. They are not your best friend, or they do not think about you in a very positive way. They are just coming to you because they want, because they need something from you. So it's better that you don't get involved that much with them, and just drive them away. Say little things and just drive them away. Also, group number 3, I feel that next month you need to have a little bit of patience regarding everything in your life. As I said before, it may be a very busy month for you, or a month where you'll feel that maybe things are not in your hands anymore, or you'll be feeling a bit difficulty. You'll be juggling with some things. Just have patience regarding your life, regarding the situations that will come your way in the next month. Because if you work hard, and if you pass this phase, and if you really balance things nicely, then you will be awarded in the best possible way. Whatever dreams, whatever goals you're working towards, it will definitely be successful in the coming months as well as in the coming years. So that is it for group number 3. I hope you liked my reading. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and also if you like my videos, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I keep on posting videos on spirituality and tarot reading every Thursday and Sunday. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.